How's it going, everybody? Welcome back. And what is the best VPN to access DraftKings? Now, if you're outside the States or Canada, or if you simply want to secure your data while you're on DraftKings and, making your bets and whatnot, a lot of sensitive information can be on your account. So you want to keep yourself secure. Of course, if DraftKings is not available to you in the first place because you're outside the appropriate region where it's available, you will probably get this screen right here that says country not supported, since it's only available in the US and Canada for the most part and other select jurisdictions. So I've tested over a couple dozen VPNs and I've narrowed it down to these three as the best overall for privacy, speed, streaming and torrenting capabilities, anonymity, and general online security. All right, especially if you want to bypass geo restrictions and unblock streaming services and whatnot. So I'll go ahead and just use ExpressVPN's New York server just to demonstrate very quickly for the sake of time. But overall, all these VPNs will work perfectly fine with DraftKings. You have 30 days to stress test them for 30 days risk-free, thanks to the 30-day money-back guarantee. All right, but worry not, you can take my word for it. They all work very well. They all vary in budget and features, so pick and choose depending on what you're looking for. But since DraftKings was not available for me, now that I'm connected to the New York server, all I have to do is go to DraftKings, go ahead and hit refresh on your browser, and now I have access to DraftKings as if I'm in the States myself. That's pretty much it for this video. If you guys are interested in any of these VPNs, I'll find links to pricing discounts in the description down below, as well as the full reviews if you'd like to learn more about the privacy policy, speed, streaming, and torrenting capabilities, as well as security and features. Besides that, comment below if you have any questions. I'll be happy to answer all of them. Like and subscribe if you'd like to support the channel and stay up to date with everything VPNs and cybersecurity. Thank you guys very much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Have a wonderful day.